So what are some of the legality terms and things, right? So syndication, it's structured as an LLC, so every deal, we're gonna buy a deal, it's a business, right? So you're buying commercial real estate, it's a business you're buying. $10 million business, a $20 million business. Even if you create a fund, it's a business. You're creating a business, $1 million business or a $20 million business, however big you want that fund to be. Think about all of these as a business. The NOI, the net operating income, helps determine with a cap rate the value of that business. Similar to that as you're evaluating a business, right? So the multiples and things. So what there's a regulation, an SEC regulation called D, Schedule D, which is basically an exemption that lets us raise capital without being registered agents. So you don't have to be a registered agent to raise capital for your own deal. So when you're an owner of that entity, an active member, you can go raise capital legally. So that's what Schedule D is. 506B of that means that I can only ask friends and family. I can't advertise it. I can't go out and do that. I can ask friends and family. The 506C is for accredited investors only. So the 506B, I think buddies, and 506C is commercial, like I can put it out, I can advertise it, but it's accredited investors only, and I'll talk a little more on what each of those are real quick. So under 506B, there's no advertising allowed. You're limited to 35 non-accredited investors. You can have 100 or more investors, but only 35 of those can be non-accredited. And then you have the private placement memorandum. That describes what the investment is. Basically, it says, hey, we're going to go buy this property. This is what it costs. This is how many investors. This is how much we're going to raise. This is the business plan. You'll have an operating agreement with that and an offering memorandum. If you guys want to take a quick snapshot of that, that's the basics of the key pieces of a syndication.
Come meet us live and become a real estate investor with us. Make money, grow, and help the community as well. So this is what I love to do every day as a real estate investor. I love to connect with you throughout our social media, and I love to make money with you as well.